So how do you right click on the iPad keyboard? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on the iPad, obviously if you connect a mouse or a trackpad, the right click is done by clicking two fingers at the same time on a trackpad, right? So that's like the usual method, but a lot of people kind of miss that also the keyboard when connected to the iPad can initiate or imitate the right click action, right? And you have to do this by essentially holding down on the control key and tapping somewhere, right? So essentially, you have the ability to do it like that because, when you tap the screen normally, it doesn't, show the right click options. But when you hold down the control key on your connected keyboard on the iPad, it will trigger the right click action. So at the end of the day, this is what we need to do. And that's like the best way to do this. As I said, of course, it's much easier with an actual trackpad or with a, keyboard or magic mouse or whatever else you're using. But if you just have the keyboard, then clicking on the control will get the job done. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.